Welcome to PowerPoint for Pros, a video series from Slide Bazaar that will help you create better presentations. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 stunning morph transitions you can create inside PowerPoint. But before we start, check out slidebazaar.com to download pre-built presentation slides for all your presentation needs. Check out the link in the description to know more. Alright, let's begin with the first one. To create this slide, first right-click the slide, go to Format Background and select Black. Then let's insert an ellipse, but hold down the Shift key while drawing it to get a circle. Go to Shape Fill and remove the fill color and change the shape outline color to white. Now, let's draw some more circles and create duplicates by either pressing Ctrl+D or by holding Ctrl and clicking and dragging the shape. Arrange them evenly on top of the white outline as shown. Change all the outlines to white. Now click on any circle and in Format Picture, insert an image to the shape. Do this for all the circles. Now let's make the circle in the middle bigger, reposition it, and also let's add some text. Now all you need to do is duplicate the slide and on the duplicate slide, reposition the circles in a clockwise direction and resize the big circle and the circle in the middle. Change the text too. Repeat this for all the slides. Finally, select all the slides on the left, go to Transitions, and add Morph Transition. Change the duration to 1 second, and this is what you'll get. Now let's take a look at design number 2. First, right-click the slide, go to Format Background, and add a background color. Then, let's insert a rectangle with rounded corners. Drag the yellow handle to create a pill shape just like this. Then, let's add a dark gray fill color and set outline as no outline. Next, add a hollow circle while holding down the Shift key as shown. Add a lighter gray fill color to the shape and change outline to no outline. Next, draw a block arc shape while holding Shift as shown and adjust its size using the corner point handles. Change its color and also remove the outline. Now, let's add some icons and text. Once that is done, duplicate the slide and rotate the block arc as shown, and then change the text. Keep repeating this as many times as needed. Finally, select all slides and apply the morph transition. Set the duration to 1.5 seconds as well, and this is what you get in the end. Now, let's take a look at how you can create a slide like this. First, insert an appropriate image onto your slide. Select the image and press Ctrl+X to cut the image. Next, right-click the slide, go to Format Background, and click on Picture, and then on Clipboard to insert the image you just cut. Go to the Effects tab, and in the Artistic Effects drop-down, select Blur. Once that is done, go back to your slide and press Ctrl+V to add the image again on top of the slide. Next, with the picture selected, go to Format Picture, Crop to Shape, and select an appropriate shape. I am selecting Plaque. Change the line of the shape to solid line, change its color to white, and increase the width to 1.5 points. Right-click the shape, click Crop, and change it as shown. Also, in Format Picture, don't forget to add a subtle glow effect as well. Now add your text. Let's now create a duplicate of the slide, and on the duplicate, right-click the image, click Crop, and position the image as shown, and then change the text. Now repeat these steps as many times as needed. Finally, select all the slides on the left and apply Morph Transition. Don't forget to change the duration of the transition to around 1.5 seconds. And this is what the final result will look like. Next up, this is the slide we're going to create. First, let's right-click the slide, go to Format Background to change the background color. Next, let's add a rectangle with rounded corners as shown. Change the fill color and change outline to no outline. Then, insert another rounded rectangle as shown. Change the outline color to white. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D or holding down Ctrl and clicking and dragging. Resize the duplicates as shown and create a few more duplicates. Now select one rectangle, go to Format Picture. In Picture or Text to Fill, insert an image. Repeat this step for all the shapes as shown. Now select all the smaller shapes and flip them horizontally as shown. Now duplicate the slide. Rearrange and resize the images as shown. Then make sure you rotate the main image by flipping it horizontally. Keep duplicating the slides and repeating the same steps for all the images. Finally, add some text onto your slide. Then, select all the slides on the left, go to Transitions to apply the Morph transition, and change the duration to 1.25 seconds. And this is what the final slide will look like. Now, let's take a look at how you can create this Morph animated slide in PowerPoint. First, right-click the slide, go to Format Background, and change the background color to black. Then, let's insert a rectangle with rounded corners, and change its color, and change outline to no outline. Create a duplicate by pressing Ctrl+D, and then change the color of the duplicate to white. Send it to the back as shown, and place them on your slide like this. Change the fill color of each shape. Then select all shapes, go to Format Shape, and add a reflection, and adjust the blur and transparency values. Add some text on each shape, and then let's create duplicates. Adjust the first shape as shown. Add some supporting text onto the white shape. And now all you need to do is repeat the steps. Finally, select all slides, add the Morph transition, and change the duration to 1.25 seconds. And here is the final result. So there you go, 5 easy Morph transitions to try in PowerPoint. Don't forget to check out slidebazaar.com to get thousands of pre-built presentation slides to speed up your next presentation. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.